Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, division and multiplication. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 1, B is 5, C is 25 and D is 22, 25. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic equation. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one and also this one. So here we have two brackets. First one, we have 25 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So, but inside the bracket, we have here two things. One is a number which has the power, this one, and other one is we have the division sign. So first of all, we have to solve this one, which is a number. First of all, we have to solve this bracket, this one, 5 raised to power 2. So we will write like 5 raised to power 2 divided by and equals to 25. 5 raised to power 2 divided by means 5 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 25. And divided by again 5 multiplied by 5, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 5 raised to power 2, 25. Now move forward. Step number 1, we have to solve again. We have a bracket. So we have to solve this one, which is 25 divided by 25. So now we have to write 5 raised to power 2 and divided by equals to 25 divided by which is equals to 25, which is equals to 1, and divided by again 5 multiplied by 5, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference. Now 25 divided by 25 equals to 1. Now move forward. Step number 1, we have to repeat because we have another bracket which is 5 multiplied by 5. So we will write 5 raised to power 2 divided by 1, again divided by, and 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25. So here we have to give the reference. Now 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Now we have solved all brackets. Now we have to see the all exponent part. So yes, we have another exponent part which is 5 raised to power 2. So we will write like 5 raised to power 2 means 25, 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25, and divided by 1 divided by 25, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 5 raised to power 2 equals to 25. And it becomes like this way. Now we have solved the step number 2. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication or division. But in our expression, we have all the division signs. So now we have to solve, we have to see like which part we have to solve first. Either this one, 25 divided by 1 or 1 divided by 25. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. So now we have 25 divided by um, 1. So we have to solve this one. So any number divided by 1 equals to that number. 25 divided by 25 here. And here we have to give the reference 25 divided by divided by 1 equals to 25. Now we have two terms like 25 divided by 25. Have we get the answer is 1. So the answer of the given expression is 1. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BROADMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these rapid quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.